Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your TradingView background white. First, open your chart settings. You can do this by right-clicking anywhere on your chart and selecting Settings. Another way is to click the small gear icon located in the top right corner of your chart. This action will bring up the chart settings window, where all your customization options reside. Once the chart settings window is open, look for the Appearance tab. It's usually one of the first options you'll see. Click on this tab to access all the visual customization features for your chart. This section allows you to modify various elements, including the chart's background, grid lines, and text colors, ensuring your workspace looks exactly how you prefer. Within the Appearance tab, scroll down until you find the background option. Next to it, you'll see a color swatch. Click on this swatch to open the color picker. From here, you can select a pure white color or any very light shade that suits your preference. This change will immediately update the chart's main background. After selecting your desired white background color, simply click the OK or Apply button at the bottom of the settings window to save your changes. Your TradingView chart will now display with a crisp, clean white background, enhancing readability and focus. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals and resources to help you out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.